Hi, my name is Hudson, and today we'll be making candy salmon rolls. First thing you will need to do is wash your hands. So go by your local sink and wash. Then you gotta dry your hands, of course. Don't want to have your candy salmon rolls wet. Okay. Apple. Okay, first you'll need Airhead Extreme Sweetly Sour Belts. Okay. Okay, then you will need, here we are, these gummy worms. Then these, which are called apple straws, Sour Punch apple straws. Okay. Now you get a gummy worm. And you get it, and you got to cut it in half. Okay. Then you save one piece for the next one. You put it down right here. And of course, we'll need Swedish fish, which is my salmon, my candy salmon. Okay. Here we are. Then place it with the gummy worm, or how I like to call it, sea worms. Then you got to get the Sour Punch apple straws, and you got to cut it up. Get one of these. Cut it up. Cut it into small pieces. Then only use one. Save the rest for your next one. Put it down like that, and then roll. Then you gotta get a toothpick. Then put it where it's open. Then place the toothpick in the middle, just like that, and ta-da! You have your candy salmon roll.